Gerardo del Real just returned from the Peruvian jungle and claims to have discovered the greatest copper stock. The only problem is, he wants you to pay him to reveal the stock. The good news is, he left enough clues to figure out the company, and I reveal it here for free. Just drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate me doing this for you. Before we reveal the stock, let's look at Gerardo's recent stock picks to see how he's done. Back in January 2023, Gerardo claimed Encore Energy could make you a millionaire by 2025 because he believed a uranium bull market was coming. The stock is up about 50% since being recommended, slightly beating the market over the same time period. In August 2023, Gerardo claimed Perpetua Resources could gain 10,000%. While that hasn't happened, it has still gone up an impressive 260% in 18 months. In October 2023, Gerardo recommended 2 uranium stocks because he believed uranium was going to $200. The first stock was once again Encore Energy. While the stock is up 16%, it's trailing the market since that time. The second stock was Uranium Energy Corp, and this stock has gained over 60%, outperforming the market. Let's shift back to the newest teaser from Gerardo where he claims this. What I saw was some of the most amazing rocks and one of the best profit opportunities I've ever seen in my life. Gerardo expands on this and says, I'm on my way to see what I think is going to be the most exciting discovery of my career. And you're coming with me. We are heading to a brand new discovery in Peru. We are going to see firsthand what I think could become one of the hottest copper and gold investment stories of the decade, in what could become the largest copper-gold belt in the history of the world. I think it could become as big as Escondida, which is the biggest copper mine in the world. The reason this is so important, according to Gerardo, is that copper is going to be in extremely high demand for the anticipated global energy transition. Gerardo claims, the world will need 60 million metric tons of copper per year by mid-century, but supply is currently expected to peak at about 30 million metric tons per year in the 2030s. A huge copper deficit is emerging. Throughout the teaser, Gerardo shows videos of him trekking deep into the Peruvian jungle to show off the copper and gold deposits in the ground. According to Gerardo, gold and copper oozing out of the rocks. And eventually, Gerardo starts dropping clues and describing the mining company he wants you to invest in. Here's what he has to say. What makes me so excited about this company and the projects is that there are several projects. The projects we visited will start being drilled in the next several months with permits coming as early as the next month. That's why the time is now to really dig down into the company because the company is going to be drilling quality projects. Company-making projects, potentially, for the next 5 to 10 years. The company that owns it now has a market cap of roughly $60 million, and the companies that own projects of this scale and that have the kind of land tenure that this company has are in the billions of dollars. So you can do the math from 60 million to many, many billion dollars. I think we're staring directly at a multi-bagger opportunity. And Gerardo explains why he thinks this will be such a great investment, saying, so here's what comes next and what I envision could happen. The majors have to be all over this. The company already has the largest Canadian mining company as a partner. I know their eyes are on not just one project, but many projects. Will there be an offer after the first discovery hole? Will there be an offer at the second one on the second project? We'll know soon. There are many scenarios where we could go from a $60 million market cap to a $100 million market cap to a $500 million market cap to that ultimate prize, which is a buyout. I'm going to reveal Gerardo's stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Alpha Picks performs the best and actually beats the market easily. And between November 18th to December 11th, this service is $140 off during its Black Friday sale. To take advantage of this awesome deal, just click the link in the description. The stock Gerardo is pitching in this teaser is Hannon Metals, and the ticker is HANNF. Hannon Metals is a Canadian-based junior mineral exploration company focused on acquiring and exploring mineral properties in Peru and Ireland. Its primary projects include the San Martin Copper-Silver Project and the Valiente Copper-Gold Project, both located in Peru. The company is headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia. It's hard to analyze junior mining companies, especially when they haven't even begun drilling. It's even harder when the companies are as small as Hannon Metals. So instead of analyzing it the way I typically do, I'm going to present both the bullish and bearish cases for investing in this stock. Let's start with the bullish case. Here's the bullish case for Hannon Metals. First is strategic partnerships with industry leaders. Hannon Metals has attracted significant investments from major industry players, underscoring the potential of its projects. Notably, in September 2022, Teck Resources Limited, Canada's largest mining company, acquired a 9% stake in Hannon Metals through a 2.57 million Canadian dollars strategic investment. Additionally, Hannon has entered into a $35 million joint venture with Japan Oil, Gas and Metals National Corporation for the San Martin project in Peru. These partnerships not only provide financial backing, but also validate the company's exploration strategies and project potential. Second is extensive and promising project portfolio. Hannon Metals boasts a diverse portfolio of exploration projects, primarily in Peru and Ireland. The flagship San Martin project in Peru covers approximately 65,600 hectares and targets high-grade sediment-hosted copper-silver deposits. In Ireland, the company holds 100% ownership of the County Clare project, which is prospective for zinc, lead, silver, and copper. This extensive landholding positions Hannon as a top 10 in-country explorer by area in Peru, offering multiple avenues for significant discoveries. Third is alignment with global demand for critical metals. As the world transitions to a low-carbon economy, the demand for metals like copper and silver is expected to surge, driven by their essential roles in renewable energy technologies and electric vehicles. Hannon Metals is strategically focused on developing sustainable resources to meet this growing demand. By investing in Hannon, shareholders gain exposure to commodities that are pivotal to future technological advancements and infrastructure developments. In summary, Hannon Metals' strategic alliances, expansive project portfolio, and alignment with global metal demand trends make it a compelling investment opportunity in the resource sector. Now here's the bearish case for this stock. First is ongoing financial losses. Hannon Metals has reported consistent financial losses over the past 5 years, with earnings declining at an average annual rate of 36.1%. This trend indicates challenges in achieving profitability and suggests that the company may continue to face financial difficulties in the near future. Second is limited cash reserves and funding challenges. As of November 2023, Hannon Metals had cash reserves of approximately 1.9 million Canadian dollars, with an annual cash burn of 2.7 million Canadian dollars. This financial position provides a cash runway of around 9 months, indicating a potential need for additional funding to sustain operations. Raising capital through equity financing could lead to shareholder dilution, while debt financing may increase financial risk. Third is exploration stage with uncertain outcomes. Hannon Metals is primarily engaged in the exploration of mineral properties, with no significant revenue-generating operations to date. The success of its projects, such as the San Martin and Valiente projects in Peru, is uncertain and depends on favorable exploration results, obtaining necessary permits, and securing financing for development. The inherent risks associated with mineral exploration could impact the company's future performance. In summary, Hannon Metals' ongoing financial losses, limited cash reserves, and the speculative nature of its exploration activities present significant risks that investors should carefully evaluate. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out the Black Friday sale from Seeking Alpha. This sale bundles Seeking Alpha with their market-beating stock picking service, Alpha Picks. Both of these are my favorite stock services, and if you buy between November 18th and December 5th, you can save nearly $300 by bundling the two offers. To take advantage of this deal, just click the link in the description and put yourself in the best position to succeed in investing.